Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, think about planning a game day with your friends. Imagine you have 18 balls and you want to divide them into equal groups for different games. You might need to figure out how many groups you can make if each group has the same number of balls. This is where common factors and common multiples are useful. For instance, if you want to create groups where each group has 3 or 6 balls, you will use common factors to decide how to divide the balls evenly. On the other hand, if you're organizing multiple games and need to find a number that fits all game schedules perfectly, common multiples will help you figure out the best timing so that each game starts without delay. Understanding these concepts helps you solve problems like dividing items evenly or coordinating activities. Let's explore how knowing about common factors and common multiples can make organizing and planning much easier. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: identify common factors and multiples for better organization in real-life situations. Understand and apply the concept of co-prime numbers in practical scenarios. Use prime factorization to break down numbers into their prime components effectively. Calculate HCF and LCM to solve everyday problems like dividing items or scheduling events. Keywords from this lesson are common factors, common multiples, co-prime numbers, prime factorization, highest common factor HCF, greatest common divisor GCD, LCM, lowest common multiple, repeated division method. Children, let us explore common factors and common multiples. Example 1. What are the common factors of 25 and 55? Solution. Factors of 25 are 1, 5. Factors of 55 are 1, 5, 11. Common factors of 25 and 55 are 1 and 5. Example 2. Find the common multiples of 3 and 4. Solution. Multiples of 3. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Multiples of 4. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Common multiples of 3 and 4 are 0, 12 and 24, and so on. Children, what is co-prime numbers? If 1 is the only common factor between two numbers, then they are said to be co-prime numbers. Example: check whether 7 and 15 are co-prime numbers or not. Solution: factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The common factor of 7 and 15 is 1 only. Hence, they are the co-prime numbers. Let us see prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of writing a number as a product of prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on are prime numbers. Prime factorization of any number means to represent that number as a product of prime numbers. For example, the prime factorization of 40 can be done in the following way. Prime factorization of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 2 cubed into 5. Prime factorization is the process of finding all the prime factors of a number. There are two methods to find the prime factors of a number. Prime factorization using a factor tree. We can find the prime factors of 70 in two ways. The prime factors of 70 are 2, 5 and 7 in both the cases. Prime factorization using a factor tree for number 850. Repeated division method. Find the prime factorization of 64 and 80. The prime factorization of 64 is 2 multiplied 6 times. The prime factorization of 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The prime factorization of 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now let us see highest common factor, HCF. The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the greatest of their common factors. Its other name is GCD, greatest common divisor. To find the HCF of given numbers, we have to find the prime factorization of each number and then find the HCF. Example: find the HCF of 60 and 72. Solution. First, we have to find the prime factorization of 60 and 72. Is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. (72) is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then encircle the common factors. 2, 2, 3, HCF of 60 and 72 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Lowest common multiple, LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the smallest of their common multiples. Methods to find LCM. Prime factorization method. To find the LCM, we have to find the prime factorization of all the given numbers and then multiply all the prime factors which have occurred a maximum number of times. Example: find the LCM of 60 and 72. Solution. First, we have to find the prime factorization of 60 and 72. Is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 5. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. To find the LCM, we will count the common factors one time and multiply them with the other remaining factors. LCM of 60 and 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 360. Repeated division method. If we have to find the LCM of so many numbers, then we have to use this method. Example. Find the LCM of 105, 216 and 314. Solution. Use the repeated division method on all the numbers together and divide until we get 1 in the last row. LCM of 105, 216 and 314 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 157 is equal to 11,86,920. Let us see some real-life problems related to HCF and LCF. Example. There are two containers having 240 liters and 1024 liters of petrol respectively. Calculate the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the petrol of both the containers when used an exact number of times. Solution. As we have to find the capacity of the container, which is the exact divisor of the capacities of both the containers, that is maximum capacity. So we need to calculate the HCF. The common factors of 240 and 1024 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Thus, the HCF of 240 and 1024 is 60. Therefore, the maximum capacity of the required container is 16 liters. Let us see one more example. What could be the least number which, when we divide by 20, 25 and 30, leaves a remainder of 6 in every case? Solution. As we have to find the least number, so we will calculate the LCM first. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 300. Here 300 is the least number which, when divided by 20, 25 and 30, then they will leave remainder 0 in each case. But we have to find the least number which leaves remainder 6 in all cases. Hence, the required number is 6 more than 300. The required least number is equal to 300 plus 6 equal to 306. Points to remember. Common factors are numbers that exactly divide two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. Common multiples are numbers that are multiples of both numbers being considered. Co-prime numbers have no common factors other than 1, meaning they are relatively prime. HCF, highest common factor, is the largest number that divides 2 or more numbers without a remainder. LCM, lowest common multiple, is the smallest number that is a multiple of 2 or more given numbers. Thanks for watching.